In today's demanding manufacturing environment, parts must leave the production floor perfectly clean, dry, and ready for post-processing. Grease, oils, particulate, and other production debris need to be removed to ensure the next steps like coating, plating, or packaging are successfully completed. One of the best and green-friendly ways to achieve parts cleanliness is by using a vapor degreaser and modern metal cleaning fluids. Vapor degreasing is a common cleaning process used by manufacturers because it is safe, fast, and affordable. It's also an environmentally sound way to clean metal parts. The boiling fluid and vapors combine to clean and dry the contaminated parts inside the vapor degreaser. It concentrates the soil and contaminants and refreshes the cleaning fluid after each use. The refreshed cleaning fluid is used for hundreds of hours before it needs to be replaced, minimizing waste disposal. Vapor degreasing technology developed in the 1940s to clean aviation parts. Today, environmental concerns have renewed interest in vapor degreasing since it uses little electricity and operates without water. Modern vapor degreasers use updated, environmentally safer fluids, engineered with just the right characteristics like solvency, boiling point, specific gravity, and surface tension, to wet every surface of the parts inside and out to rigorously clean contaminants. Many of the modern cleaning fluids have a low boiling point and low heat of vaporization, meaning the vapor degreaser can start up quickly and requires little heat input to run. Typical cleaning cycles vary from 5 to 15 minutes per batch, and the parts come out clean, dry, and immediately ready for packaging or further processing. Since parts are clean and dry in just one step, there's no need for blowers, air knives, or any other drying method that uses power. This translates into less energy consumption, plus overall time and cost savings. Modern metal cleaning fluids meet strict global environmental regulations to help manufacturers replace outdated chlorinated solvents like TCE that contribute to groundwater and air quality problems. To learn more about vapor degreasing and modern metal cleaning fluids, partner with a company with precision cleaning expertise. You can rely on MicroCare to recommend environmentally sound options for your best cleaning results. With MicroCare, discover perfectly clean.